Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English language. Today we have an assignment for our learnings. Okay, I will put 20 sentences from previous videos. Okay, these sentences have been taken from previous videos. So I will pick out one sentence, then I will take a pause. Okay, and then I will translate that sentence. So you can test your learnings by this. Okay, have test. Okay, can test your learnings, test your learnings. Total sentences are 20. 20 sentences are there. This video. Okay, and make sure you're testing yourself. Okay, so let's start with the very first sentence. Sentence is कल 6 बजे बस निकल चुकी होगी. कल 6 बजे बस निकल चुकी हो. What will you say? कल 6 बजे बस निकल चुकी होगी. We can say bus will have left by 6 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, bus will have left by 6 o'clock tomorrow. Bus will have left by 6 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, now let's move on the next sentence. वो खिड़की से झांक रहा था. वो खिड़की से झांक रहा था. What will you say for this sentence? वो खिड़की से झांक रहा था. Sentence can be translated as he was peeping through the window. Was peeping the window. He was peeping through the window. Okay. घाव से खून निकल रहा है. घाव से खून निकल रहा है. What will you say? Blood is oozing. Blood is oozing from the wound. Blood is oozing from the wound. Okay. Blood is oozing from the wound. तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? Okay. तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? Can say how long will you stay here? How long will he here? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. ये टूटा हुआ दिल कुछ कह रहा है. ये टूटा हुआ दिल कुछ कह रहा है. This broken heart is saying something. It's saying something. This broken heart is saying something. Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? We can say who who hurt you? Who hurt you? Okay? बुरे दौर में तुम्हारा साथ किसने दिया? बुरे दौर में तुम्हारा साथ किसने दिया? Who supported you in bad phase? Supported you in bad phase. Or we can say who stood by you in bad phase. Okay. तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। क्या कहोगे? तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। What is the translation? Your face reminds me of someone. 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 Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. ये दिल प्यार के लिए तड़पता है। ये दिल प्यार के लिए तड़पता है। What will be the translation? This heart craves for love. Heart craves for love. This heart craves for love. Okay. मैंने भगवान से कुछ मांगा है। मैंने भगवान से कुछ मांगा है। What will you say? मैंने भगवान से कुछ मांगा है। I have begged something from God. I have begged something. I have begged something from God. I have begged something from God. Okay. मैं अपने माता पिता को विदा कर चुका हूँ। मैं अपने माता पिता को विदा कर चुका हूँ। I have seen of my parents. I have of my parents. I have seen of my parents. Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. मैं दीवार के पीछे छुप गया। मैं दीवार के पीछे छुप गया। I hid behind the wall. 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 Okay. क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Are you agree with us? 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 Okay. मैं तुमसे मिलने को पागल हो रहा था। मैं तुमसे मिलने को पागल हो रहा था। This sentence can be translated as I was getting crazy to meet you. Getting crazy to meet. I was getting crazy to meet. I was getting crazy to, or we can say I was being crazy to meet you. I was being crazy to meet. Okay. तुम सभ्य लगते हो। तुम सभ्य लगते हो। What will be the translation? तुम सभ्य लगते हो। We can say you look you look civilized. You look civilized. Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. मैं अपनी सफलता का श्रेय तुम्हें देता हूँ। मैं अपनी सफलता का श्रेय तुम्हें देता हूँ। We can say I ascribe my success to you. I ascribe my success to you. I ascribe my success to you. Okay. तुम में से कितने ताजमहल गए हो? तुम में से कितने ताजमहल गए हो? We can say how many of you, how many of how many of you have visited the Taj? Have visited the Taj. Okay, how many of you have visited the Taj? Okay, now let's move on to the next sentence. Sentence is उसने अनजाने में मुझे दुख पहुंचाया। उसने अनजाने में मुझे दुख पहुंचाया। So how can you translate it? He unknowingly hurt me. Unknowingly hurt me. He unknowingly hurt me. Okay. मैं कसम खाता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं कसम खाता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा। So we can say, try to translate this sentence, okay, by yourself, okay. मैं कसम खाता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा। I swear that I will never go there. I swear that I will I will never go there. I swear that I will never go there. I swear that I will never go there. Okay. Now let's move on the next sentence. हजारों लोग सड़क पर विद्रोह कर रहे हैं। हजारों लोग सड़क पर विद्रोह कर रहे हैं। What will be the translation? What will be the translation of हजारों लोग सड़क पर विद्रोह कर रहे हैं? We can say thousands of people who as thousands of are protesting on roads. Thousands of people are protesting on roads. Thousands of people are protesting on roads. Okay. Now I have finished all the sentences. Hope you like this video. Okay. And I hope आपने आप सभी ने प्रैक्टिस किया होगा। ओके। जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ बस वैसे ही करना, सिंपल सा बस। एंड दिस इज अ जर्नी। ओके। लर्निंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज अ जर्नी। ओके। तो have patience and just uh, following the steps. Okay, keep learning it, keep practicing. Okay, and have patience. Okay, so that's all for today, and keep learning, keep getting better. I will get back to you soon with a new video. Till then, keep practicing and keep getting better, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.